Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping the canvas. Cleanse and moisturize so products blend, not slide. Once done, pick a color corrector that neutralizes blue or purple, peach for lighter skin, orange for deeper tones, because opposites cancel out. Use a thin brush to deposit tiny dots into the darkest spots. Tap, don't swipe. Make sure product is thinly layered. Thick paste will cake. Keep a damp sponge nearby to soften edges and to ensure natural-looking coverage as you move to blending. You now blend. Tap the corrector gently with a damp sponge to maintain pigment where the shadow is deepest, because rubbing removes the neutralizer. Once blended, apply concealer at about 1/2 to 1/3 opacity. Use a triangular sweep under the eye to lift. The concealer matches skin tone and adds brightness, so choose wisely. Make sure to thinly set with translucent powder, concentrating on laugh lines where creasing happens. This locks layers without whitening or settling into fine lines. You finish by checking in natural light and letting products settle for 10-15 minutes. Shadows reappear if coverage is mismatched. If you see cakiness, gently press a damp sponge to lift excess product, then reapply a thinner concealer layer. Less is more. If blue still shows through, add a tiny hairline stroke of orange corrector only where needed and blend outward. One key troubleshooting tip: if creasing returns, skip powder and use a hydrating mist to meld layers back together for a seamless finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.